So this is before the cleanup, and as you can see, mostly dusty. KN GTS. Absolutely filthy dirty, and always been doing. All it is parts. It's a nice looking car. Here you got the Ferrari 488. I mean, it'd be nice to be able to drive this again, but my legs I can't just yet. Not really, just a bit of a finger on the over there. The car looks awesome, doesn't it? Really does. Don't come much nicer than Ferraris. And then the most dirty. I decided to park it under a tree, and of course I didn't get to drive, so it kind of had to sit there till someone took it out. As a result, it spends most of its life under a tree at the moment. Not for long, because I'm clearing a space in the garage, so all the cars will be put away again like they used to be, because it's a bit much. But look how, I mean, that is just dirty. It's dirty on the back than it is on the front for some reason. I think the wind must have blown it, but there we go.